Well, hello, welcome to another RiderCamTV video.
That's us, isn't it?
Yeah.
We do that.
Yeah, we
That's
do
us.
that. And it's the first time we've been in the same country for a while, isn't it?
It is, yeah. These are slippy chairs, mate.
Well, they are. We use Mr. Sheen. Or do we use DrySparkle to clean everything?
Oh, that was a fantastic link.
So,
Although you didn't show it as DrySparkle, you showed the back of it then.
oh, I don't know.
Slippy.
There you are, DrySparkle. Now, this is really good stuff. I think it's the only stuff that I've ever used on my bike. You can use it on your car, whatever you want to use it on. But it's the only thing I've ever used on my bike that I've been really, really happy with that's waterless. So there's loads and loads of stuff to this DrySparkle, including the bag that holds the water in there, or the liquid in there, so when you spray it out, it gets rid of everything, so you're not wasting anything. These are just the refills that we've been kindly sent by DrySparkle, and you would have seen the video a few weeks ago of me in the middle of Spain having a lovely time cleaning my bike. Now there were a couple of comments saying, oh, you've just been scratching your bike. Apparently the formula with this has got some sort of like nanotechnology.
It is like a polymer thing, isn't it? But it removes all the bits.
Yeah, and as you spray it on, like I was showing you, it goes cloudy and takes it off.
So you're not scratching your bike.
No.
And I know definitely not scratching anything because I put it on my screen today before I came here. A brief moment of cleanliness on my bike. And there's no scratches. It doesn't scratch your bike or your paintwork or anything like that. So thanks for the comments, but it doesn't scratch your bike.
Yeah. We are going to take this away. So I'm going away. You'll see this after I come back, I expect. I'm going to go for another tour with Magellan down through Spain. There's a code on our website for £100 off if you want to get a cheap tour for next year, but tours are now coming to an end, aren't they? So I'm off to Spain.
You must be the last tour.
One of them, I suppose. So I'm off to Granada next week, or a few weeks ago, depends on when the video comes out, to have a great time in the Spanish sun. Yeah, I'm not going to dance. But we've spoken to DrySparkle and they spoke to us, obviously, otherwise it wouldn't be a conversation, would it?
No.
And we are going to give 2 packs of DrySparkle away. So a pack consists of a refill, something we haven't got here, but it's another bottle with the spray cap that you've seen on all the videos.
On the video. And those on my tour saw me using it.
Yeah, and it's really good because when you spray that bottle, it's made in such a way that you haven't... It's not like the conventional ones, when you spray it goes everywhere and then stops spraying. You can hold it and get a mist, or you can mist it by continuously pulling the trigger.
Is that called misting it, is it?
Yeah. But handy for travelling and packing away, there's a little plastic clip that goes into the bottle that stops that from banging against something and setting itself off. So I'm not sure exactly of the price. I think it's about 25 quid, 30 quid, something like that for a set. You get one of those, a refill, the bottle with the trigger, and that thing. You get it in a nice box and you get 2 really good quality microfiber cloths.
And the box is important to you, isn't it?
Well, it is, because all these manufacturers take all this time to look at stuff. We should appreciate it.
Does it smell nice?
I don't know, I've never smelt it actually. What's it smell like?
Shall I open it?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. No, I can't smell anything.
Yeah, it kind of smells like cleaning fluid. It doesn't smell...
I've not ruined that by opening it.
Perhaps they could do a banana one or a strawberry.
Oh, no, because there's a chain company that does banana smelling chain. When I had a chain, I noticed that.
Yeah, we don't have them anymore. But I must say, I've used it on my triple black bike. You might see in a couple of weeks, or you might have seen already before, Time Warp again.
Time Warp.
On my new bike. I got no trouble with using this on any of my bike. Even the car, like you said, the screen on the front of the bike, prone to scratching even if you wipe your hand across it. This doesn't scratch.
No.
Doesn't scratch. Have a look at their website and see about all the specs.
So how are we going to do this giveaway?
Right. So DrySparkle are going to run the giveaway for us. So there are a couple of things that you need to do. One being like the video, of course, because it's the greatest video about DrySparkle that there will ever be.
We're replacing the QVC channel.
Yeah, code is here. So like the video and subscribe to the channel. And those that have liked and subscribed must comment in the video as to why you want this. Make us laugh. We're all about fun, aren't we?
Absolutely.
And the final thing is that when we pick the two names
randomly,
and we'll probably give it a month or so after the video's released, then DrySparkle want you to put your email address into their newsletter subscribe button so they can tell you when they create new stuff. I don't think that's much of a thing to ask. We've all got emails there that get lots of newsletters and stuff, but this stuff really is good.
Am I right in thinking that the guides at Magellan are getting some of this?
They might well be. But check the description because you can get a discount on this with a certain code. It'll be on the video in front of us somewhere and it'll be in the description.
RM10 or something, isn't it?
No, it's RCTV 10.
Is it?
RiderCamTV.
Oh, yeah.
You just can't get the stuff.
No.
So, like, subscribe, comment as to why you want it, and make us laugh. We're going to look for the funniest ones because life for a lot of people is really drab at the moment.
Yeah.
Cost of living and all that stuff. Let's make each other laugh. Tell us why you want it, what you're going to clean with it. Hate to think. Dread to think.
Helmet.
Yeah, we won't go there. And when we pick the names, then those two people must fill in the newsletter subscription. We'll get DrySparkle to get hold of you, give your name and address, and they'll send out the kits. And for everybody that doesn't win, it is great stuff. Check out the description.
And they're extremely confident in their product, which is really nice. You know, it's not a made-up product, is it?
No, and talking about that, Mark, it's a really good point because...
Thank you. I made that point.
Yeah, you did. Because DrySparkle isn't a massive conglomerate company. They're quite a small company and the people that work for them are really, really nice. I know that they want to sell stuff, so you're going to be nice. But through speaking to SJ, one of the directors at DrySparkle, he's genuinely interested in making a product that's environmentally friendly, that's not wastable, that does the job that it says on the tin.
Excellent.
And it's really nice to come across those, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
So,
I like that.
Get subscribing, liking, commenting.
And it's British.
Yeah, and it's British. And we'll pick two people at random in a few weeks' time and then let you know. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Go and get yours if you can't wait. I wouldn't wait, I'll go and buy it. Only with our code, because that gives you a discount. Hit the subscribe and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!